Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video. This week on the old Magic Roundabout we have got a DMC challenge, which is a Diecast and Modelers Community Challenge, and this month's challenge was any Corgi toy. So I've got this one, I've got this in the job lot, and so I thought, well, let's do this one. It's a Corgi's Volkswagen Polo, as I can make out. It doesn't say Polo on the bottom, it doesn't say GTI on the bottom, it says nothing. So I took advice, and as far as I've been told, it's a Polo. So anyway, Diecast Modelers Community Channel, again, our monthly challenge. Anybody interested in joining the DMC, as we call it, on Facebook, sign up. We're a good bunch of lads. We're not rivet counters, you know, we do what we do and have fun. And our monthly challenge, like I say, this month is a Corgi toy. So as you watch go round, I'd just like to welcome back friends of the channel and welcome any new friends of the channel. Thanks very much, it's very much appreciated. So let's get this off the Magic, get it on a bench and have a good look at it. Let's have a look at this little cutie baby then. Yeah, it doesn't say it on the bottom, look. Corgi, that's it, made in Britain. Made in Great Britain. 2 rivets, bit of bottom detail, and that's it. It's got all the super fast, it didn't even say super fast on the bottom, or whiz wheels or anything on the bottom. But anyway, what we got, a roughly looking Polo, opening doors. It doesn't have door cards, so that's cool. It's got the seats in, got the steering wheel in, and it's got good glass by the look of it. There and there, it's scuffed. These don't often have glass on the back because obviously when you pull up, now this tailgate here seems to have is jammed, and I presume it's because maybe the roof is slightly bent. We'll have to have a look when we get it out. Got some backlight details we can put in, number plate. The wheels aren't too bad a condition, they're not too furry. The tyres aren't too furry, and there's still some detail on the wheels we can put back in. I'm not doing a wheel swap, I quite like these wheels. I think with a bit of chrome on them, they look nice. Everything's there, just needs doing. So, get your rivets drilled out. That's quite a deep one. There, look at that in there, that's a deep rivet. And we'll have a look, see what we got. Oh, it's a good old roll, you know. So, a few go faster stripes and we're away. Let's just pop the base. Now let's get some of this out of the way. Yep, just pop the base on this. See what we got. Move the camera down a bit. Yep. Oh, plastic suspension. Yeah, I see. Different. It's got some fur around there. Bit of carpet fur around there. We could dig that out. We should have to dig that out, won't we? So there's obviously has some carpet play, which is always good. It's good to see. There's quite a lot of that in there. Under there, and it went well before, so I think it'd go even better now. So an old paintbrush there, here. Anyway, I'll mess about with that. I would say I could pop these wheels out of here, and I think the better if I lifted that out somehow. I wonder if I can get this out without breaking it too much. Yeah, there you go. Oh, so I got that right out of shot then, didn't I? I just looked at the camera and it was well over. Yeah, I just got my screwdriver underneath that here, under here, and just gently levered it off and pop, up it comes. Okay, so that was off. that can be cleaned, and then we can get these out safely without mucking about too much. Get all that rubbish off, all the hair off. Okay, so that's the wheels off. So we'll get a tub. We'll get a tub. Like I said in the other video that I did, I keep forgetting where the camera. Well, I know it's over this side, but it's a bit of a pain. I'm trying to get it close to me so you can see what's going on. Right, let's look at this interior then. Right, just pull straight out, I would think. Yep. Hello, a minute. Yeah, lift the interior out. There we go. Well, not bad. It's got the rough carpet texture. There you go. Right, doors. I would think to get a dash out, you'd have to take the doors. Doing it again. Take the doors out for, yeah. So we'll open the doors. See what we've got. I've never opened one of these of this particular type, so I'm feeling a way through here. That dashboard, yeah, it just sits back on there like so. It's a shame it didn't have an opening bonnet of an engine. It would have been quality. Oh, okay, so this is wire thing, isn't it? How easy is it to pop that over the top? Let's get these out. Not easy. Let me see if the glass comes out first. Glass just drops out. That's good. That's a bonus. The tailgate. Oh, it's gone. Hello, what's going on there? Wow, that went dark, didn't it? Hey. Yeah. Well, something's gone crazy with my camera. Yeah. Get my hands out of the way here. There's a tab there, obviously. I'll lift that up. So the door should come out. It's proving to be a bit tricky. Going through there. Yeah, I think because the roof is, if I can try and get this to move over, that spring plate, I might be able to get this out. Let's try going through there. Pull it out that way. That's one side. Let's come back in, sod it. That's one side out. What we can do with that. It will come out, I just want to break it. Got it. I think it's that roof. Got to be that roof that needs work on. So I don't know why the camera keeps going dark like that. Anyway, we're there. we're there. In fact, I might even leave the doors in. It might be a favourite to leave the doors in, actually. Even with the first time I left doors in. Yeah. Yeah, I'm alright getting them out, but they might be alright bugger to get back in. No, I'm going to leave them in. I'm leaving the doors in. That was already dropping. Could have been messing with the spring, look. Right, okay. Leaving the doors in. Let's get it stripped. So that's the back door. That's all what needs stripping. Here we are then. This paint took ages, literally ages to get off. Caustic soda wouldn't touch it. It had a bath in the stripping gel for 2 days, and it still left some paint on. It was a flipping pain in the backside to get this off. But I got it all off anyway, so it's all nice and clean. It's the front then. Doors are all done, and the hatches back is all done, all cleaned up, ready to go. Now what I've done here, I've decided to drill holes and put some dual headlights in there. So it's not a hard job. The thing was that it's quite an open grill, so you've got room to get a drill in quite comfortably. Now the trick is here, centre punch in the middle. You can either file the headlight down slightly to get a little flat on it, and centre punch it. Once you centre punch it, go in with a small drill, like you would do for your rivets, just to start it off. Yeah, and go in a little bit with that, and then pick a drill which is just about the same size as the light itself. It's not, like I say, it's not hard to do. It's just having the nerve to do it. And then start very, very slowly drilling in until you got a nice bite on it. Take it steady, check it. Get your a headlight of your choice. This is a tiny one there. Now I use these out of junk jewellery. As you can see, I've already took loads off of those. Okay, they have got the point on the bottom, so you can, like I say, drill your pilot hole. You can go in quite deep with that, and then get your wider drill and go very slowly until you've got the definite shape and it's going in. And then you can take it out and try your diamond. Now you might find that it's sitting proud, so what you can do then is get a thinner diameter drill. I know it's all about diameter drills, but if you got yourself a Dremel with all those extras and stuff, get yourself a finer drill. Yeah, and what you do then is go down right into the middle and go down and just keep turning it, because what you're doing, extending it a little bit so the point can go right down, and then try it again. Keep trying it until the light fits where you want it to fit. Okay, if that makes sense. So go through it again, flatten the light out a little bit, centre punch it, get in with a small drill, something like this will do. Get yourself a bite, get in there a little bit, and then exchange it for the diameter of the headlight that you want. Drilling in so you get that dished effect what your drill makes. Okay, go down, not too far. Check your light. put your light in, make sure it fits in. Hold on, I don't be able to do this now because I'm doing it off camera, but I can't see it properly. I haven't got me, whether that's a point or not, but yeah, so your light fits in. Okay, I need my magnifying glasses to get that spot on, but yeah. So drill your bigger hole and then fit your light in. If it's still not proud, get your smaller drill again, go into the middle and just keep finger drilling it or drilling it very lightly until you got the depth. Okay, there you go. That's how I do these ones anyway. Or if you've got the flat stick-on lights, you can buy from a hobby shop, which are they're plastic and they've got a flat back to them, they're not pointed. Then you might want to flatten your headlight right down flat, yeah, until it's virtually level, and then stick one of them on. But I think they would tend to stick a bit proud. But anyway, that's your choice. That's your little tip. Try it, see what you think. Right, now it's going to be primered and paint. Now, okay, primer and paint. Well, all painted, lacquered. This is the Volkswagen Mars Red. Painted and lacquered. It was quite nice, come out quite nice. As you can see where I drilled the holes for the headlights, I'll put some gold in there. Just give it a little bit of an extra, trying to get it to show through. There's tailgate, door. So what I'm going to do now is start doing a bit of painting, some of the details. Where we're going with this, black grille, black bumper, black door handles, yeah. So that's what we're going to do with this. Because this was, I think, originally a racing one, because it's got a drop spoiler on there, which the original didn't have. So in the middle there, just there's indicator lights, so we'll do those. And on the back, there's light clusters, we'll do those. Okay, so here we go. So I think we'll do the grille first. See how we get on with this. I'm using the Revel Aqua Black, but I've thinned it down. Hopefully I haven't thinned it down too much. But it wouldn't matter because it'll give it a couple of coats. Okay. Yeah, I'll give it a couple of coats, so we should be good to go. This, I believe, is a Mark 1. Mark 1 Polo. See many of these about anymore, do you? Let's get that bit there. That's looking pretty cool already, isn't it? Get these are big rubber bumpers on, big black bumpers on these. So I'm going to have to do this. Yeah, there we go. Well, at the time I'm doing this, we've got, this is for the DMC challenge, as I said, due out on the 18th. It's just the start of the bank holiday weekend for the Queen's Jubilee. There's a lot of people putting bunting out, getting flags out and all that this weekend. So that should be interesting celebrations. Yeah. Hope you can see me painting. This is, as I say, it's on my tablet, so it might be a bit awkward to see. I think we've got it. Like I say, it's only the first thin coat. I do like to try and build these up so I don't get so much brush lines in them. If you put your paint on too thick, you will get your brush lines. So it's better to put it on thinner and give it a couple of coats. Gently, Bentley. Trying to find the line that we're doing it on. We'll get it there. Just we go, steady as we go. Steady on the elm, boys, steady on the elm. Looking pretty sweet. Looking pretty sweet. Hoping this turns out alright. I just think I need to maybe a bit more on that grill yet, I'm not sure. I'll check the images on that one actually. I might have to go a bit wider on the grill. A bit wider on the grill. Bum, not sure. Because it's got a racing spoiler on. I can't find one with a racing spoiler on the front to copy. So I don't want to make it look stupid. If I can help it. So we'll leave it with that for a minute. What we got? 7 minutes, right? So that's what we're looking at. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to carry on faffing about with this, getting it somewhere near right. And here we go. I'm going to put the dual headlights in. I've got them over there. I'll use a bit of clear. I'll use some clear liquid. Or you can use PVA if you want. I'll use some of this micro crystal clear. But because I've already got it, if I hadn't got this, I'd use PVA because it dries clear. I wouldn't use super glue because it clouds the glass. Okay, I've learned that. I've learned it. I've learned that one. We just do the edge of this bumper. Okay. I'll do the edge of this one. Okay. Right, obviously I've got to give this a second coat, so it's going to take me a while. I'll see you in a mo. Okay, then. All done and dusted. Dual headlights, doors are back on, and I put the boot back on because it was easier messing about, fiddling about, doing that off camera. I know you don't mind, but there you go. Right, I think we need to put in, we're going to do the wheels, drop them in. Hold on, it's a bit awkward this way around. Drop the wheels in, then drop the suspension unit in, making sure you get the right way up. I'll see if this will click down, or I might have to use a bit of glue. I'm not sure yet. No, I think she's going to be all right. Yeah, she's sorted. Okay, let's have a look at this then. Window glass should just drop straight in there. In a way, it's a bit of a fashion job. There you go, that's in. So that's your glass in. Then your steering wheel, when that goes, that little groove there goes over your window bracket, over your door bracket, like so. Yeah, I just hope so, because it ain't going nowhere else. Then that, I think, slides underneath and down. Yeah, that looks pretty solid. And then the wheel unit should, in all intents and purposes, might have to hang on then. Yeah, there's these two lugs here, they've got to go in there, so it should really theoretically line up and hopefully go down. If not, I'm gonna have to take it off and redo it. Let me just take this part out. I'm hoping this will work this way, and put that way around. On there, and then shove that. That's better. There you go, that's got it. So you really need to put this chassis on there. 2 size rivets, short one for the back and a standard size one for the front. That's the name of the game. That's the name of the game. Hold that for a second or two, just to make sure it goes where it's supposed to go. Spin around. Same with the front. Drop that in. Hold it down. There you go. Done. Right, let's get it on the Magic then. This is what we started with. Corgi toys. Volkswagen Polo. As you can see, play worn, over painted. So now you can see what it ended up like. Have a look at this. Okay then, we're all finished. The old Volkswagen Polo. In the red, in the Volkswagen Mars Red. Refurbished wheels and tyres. Additional jeweled headlights, as you can just about see them in there. Indicators, badges, black bumpers, black door handles. Yeah, all operating. What I've done here, I've made it so I can open the boot a little bit more, not too much more, because it comes in real close to the roof. Yeah, all the black lights. Everything else, I don't know why it's a bit dark actually. This camera's taking it a bit darker. But yeah, she's all done. All done and dusted. As you can see, the dual LED lights in there. And everything else. So we're all done. Okay, well that's the Corgi challenge. That's the DMC challenge for this week finished. Or this month, shall I say. Any Corgi toy. So there you go. Well, I hope you like this one. It's a lot better when it started off, that's for sure. So, well, thanks, man.